Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by restarting Explorer because the taskbar and start menu are processes, not mystic features. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. Once done, make sure the taskbar reappears. If it does, you may be done. If Task Manager itself won't open, press Control plus Alt plus Delete and select Task Manager. This quick step forces Windows to reload the shell. It fixes most transient glitches without touching files or settings. If restarting Explorer didn't stick, you repair underlying components. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scanno to check and fix protected files. This corrects corrupted DLLs that break start behavior. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. Dism fixes component store problems that SFC can't. Once those finish, re-register Start Menu apps in PowerShell with the Add Apps package loop. This restores missing app registrations that can prevent the Start button from responding. To finish, create a new local admin account and sign in. A fresh profile quickly shows whether the issue is user-specific. Then check Windows Update, install any pending patches, and reboot. Updates often include fixes for shell issues. If the Start menu still fails, boot into safe mode and run full antivirus and malware scans. This rules out third-party interference. As a last step, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point. This troubleshooting tip, safe mode plus scans, resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.